Hello friend, welcome back to Knowledge Hub and my name is Ryan Malvi. Today I will tell you how to speak English. In so many videos I already told how to speak, but in this video I'm telling you uh, how many ways in which you can speak, you can start your English. So first of all, start with your present knowledge. Whatever you know in English, you have to start with that. So you can at least you can get confidence. Once you will get confidence, you will learn more and more, because without speaking, if you learn so many things, then still you will not realize you can speak or not. Okay, so first step is start speaking whatever you know in English. Okay, once you will start, you will automatically improve yourself, and your English will improve day by day. Next thing, what you have to do, next thing is, you know you have to find out any friend who can speak English, or at least he or she can listen to your words or sentences. So this is another way to improve your communication or English. There are few more ways, like if you are going into any coaching class, or if you are going to any particular session, or any online classes, where you can also ask few questions in English, or you can communicate with them. So this is how you can improve. In simple words, I just want to say, wherever you are, you have to speak in English. It doesn't matter where you are, just start speaking English. Most of the time we wait for the time, when the time will come I will start speaking English. Honestly, I'm telling you, that time will never come in your life. Time is now. Now means time. In simple words, we can say, time is what? Time is now. Now you have to start. This is the time to start speaking English. Okay. So if you know live your life in this way, then you can learn English. Otherwise, there is no such thing which teach you English, which can teach you English. So you know honestly, I am telling you, there are no any particular method or skills by which you can learn English. Very simple thing is that uh, you can start whatever you know. Again, I am telling you, it is quite irritating listening the same thing again and again, but this is the reality. This is the fact. Why I'm saying this is fact? Because once you will speak, you will realize this is the reality. Okay, and there is no any other thing apart from this. So that is why I'm telling you. And one more thing, don't listen negative comments about you. Avoid such people, because they somehow they demotivate you. And when you live in such kind of environment, you cannot speak, you will never speak English. Okay, so try to live in positive areas, positive environment, where you can easily learn English. Not only English, other kind of things also in your life. So live in positive environment. Why I'm telling you this? The reason is very simple. This is my own personal experience. That is why I'm telling you. So you can learn these things from my experience. Because when you will learn, then you have to waste time. After 5, 6 or 7 years, you will learn these things. So no need to waste time. Just learn directly whatever I'm saying to you. Just learn these things. Just implement these things in your life, so you can learn English. Because It's not about learning English. It's all about learning particular language. If you are learning any kind of language, then these are few things you have to implement in your life. Without implementing, you will not learn anything. Okay, so please implement these things in your life, in your daily routine, and whatever you see in your when you wake up, when you see the things, try to think in English. What is that thing? Try to put label in English. Someone is saying something to you, try to convert that thing in English. Every time when you convert these things 2 or 3 hours in a day, no one can stop you to learn English, honestly. So very simple steps in listening, but once you will implement, in beginning you will get difficulty, but once you will implement, you will slowly you will be understand the things, and you will it will be quite easy for you. Okay, so try to implement. Okay, if you are getting any problem, then uh, in beginning you can practice for 1 hour or half an hour, then you can increase the time. Okay, so once you will convert these things in particular language to English, then you will easily train your mind, because there is a need to train your mind. When you speak English, words automatically comes from your mind. No need to put force your mind into your mind, then you can speak. No need to translate. When you speak, you'll have to train your mind. Once you will train your mind, then no need to convert at all. Honestly, I'm telling you, without any effort, you will speak the English. So live your life in English, then you can speak English. Okay, uh, not about only English. Whatever you want to learn in your life, you'll have to implement in your life too. Then you can learn. This is the way of learning. So I hope you are getting my words. If you like my video, then please uh, subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon, and so you can get latest notification of my video. So thank you for watching.